Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use digital tickets on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently purchased an event from Ticketmaster and you have tickets. How do you actually go ahead and use your digital tickets? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Ticketmaster account. And then this is what your homepage is going to look like. So next what you want to do is click on My Events, located on the bottom. And then from here, you're going to see two different tabs. You're going to see an Upcoming tab, and then you're going to see a Past tab. So go ahead and click on the upcoming event. And then from here, you can have two ways to about getting your tickets. So you can either click on View Ticket, and then here you'll see a digital version of your ticket. So what this is that at the gate, the scanner person can actually scan this barcode so that you can be allowed into the event. Now the second thing is that you can actually click on Add to Apple Wallet. So right now I've already added this ticket to my Apple Wallet. But if I click on View in Wallet, you're going to see that my Ticketmaster tickets are now available to be scanned at the gate again. So whichever way you actually go ahead and pull up your digital tickets, they can be scanned at the gate. So notice how on this example ticket, it's telling me to hold it near the reader. This is a digital ticket, and that's how to use it as far as getting into your event goes. So that right there, guys, is how to use digital tickets on Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.